Hey guys, it's Will at Jordanbikes, and today I've got to sell this absolutely stunning Suzuki DL650V V-strom. Banging bike is this. Mega lights up front, you've got them LED spotlights on there. It's an absolute beast of a bike, especially for a 650. Traction control, ABS. Yeah, it's got the works on this one. So this one is a 2018 on an 18, 5,433 miles, one owner bike. So that one owner has spec'd it, also with a 3-piece luggage on there as well. And like I say, the one owner also put the LED lights on the front. You got the pewage screen there, so it's a little bit longer and a bit bigger than the original stock one. You got the bars, just protection on sides. And we'll give it a start up. Super smooth engine on this one owner bike. Anyway guys, just in case you don't know, it is a one owner bike. What an absolute belter it is. All you need to do, pop down to Jordanbikes, just give us a call on this one. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.